Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be a spin-off from last week's video going over our Tesla accessories. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it up at the top. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Elisa Summers. Currently in the car. We got quite a bit of snow, so I wanted to film inside the car. The car needs to be cleaned again. This will be the second time actually cleaning the car with the chemical guys. So we got two, like I had stated in our last video. This one smells like pineapples and it smells so good. So I do have two different microfiber cloths for each one. I also have another washcloth, just a hand towel with a little bit of soap and water. There are a couple spots, one on the dash, not the dash, the steering wheel, and there's one over here, that it came with the car. I don't know what it was. I don't know if somebody touched it, if they had greasy hands or oil on their hands. I have no idea. But it didn't take it off the first time, so I decided I'd try some soap and water this time to see if that helped. This yellow one is for a quick detail. It's an all-purpose cleaner. And so you're able to do dashboard door panels and the steering wheel. And then this one is for like the glass, the tablet, and I think I'll do this with the center console. And so, yeah, I think it smells good. I think it works good. But like I said, I do have two spots that I'll actually show you. So I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it right there. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna try and hit that with some soap and water. And then also, there's one over here that has it also, and I have no idea what it is. It's driving me crazy. I don't want it on there. I'm tired of looking at it. So, gonna take some soap and water to it, and hopefully that will take it off. So, if anybody has any suggestions on how to take that off, I would love to hear your idea. If the soap and water doesn't take it off, because it's super annoying. Yeah, definitely still there. It's on a couple of spots on the steering wheel. And so I scrubbed this one with some soap and water and I got that one off. However, I did not get that one off. You can still see it. So I guess I will try something else and keep continuing to try and get that off. Alright, so the first one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the glass vinyl of that. So the first thing you wanna do is spray it. Don't wanna directly spray it on. Sure do love how it smells though. It smells heavenly. This one smells more clean than anything. But oh, it smells so good. That scared me. I just popped the trunk. Totally unintentionally. I probably could put the monitor to clean mode, but who wants to do that? So just wiping off the vinyl, the armrest. Also probably wipe off the dashboard with it too. So yeah, Got the microfiber cloths from Walmart for like, I got a 4-pack for like $2 or $3. So not bad by any means. And oh, smells so good. I have to switch sides and do the other side. All right, so I'm gonna switch. So fresh and clean. I am gonna finish cleaning this car, and yeah. If you haven't already, please like this video. I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. If you have any Tesla related questions, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, if you are looking for a Tesla, I will put our referral link down below so you can get 1,000 free supercharge miles. And so yeah. But I don't have anything else for you guys today. I will link the chemical guys. I did buy them off Amazon for pretty reasonably priced. I mean, I don't think they were overly expensive by any means. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week. Bye guys!